Guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to off the notification of your new followers on Instagram. So if you are getting followers again and again and you will need to stop the notification for new Instagram follower, you can use this method. First you need to open your Instagram account, and here you need to click on the three-line icon at the top right. Now you need to click on the setting option. Under setting option you need to go on the notification, and here you will see there is the option called followers and following. You need to click on that third option. Now you can see in my case I had already off that new follower option. So if your new follower option is on, you can click on off button and it will automatically off. So this is the way to off the new follower notification on your Instagram account. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to stop notification for new follower. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.